Action.
Hi, I'm Bill Colbath at Colbath Lamp Repair here in Brunswick, Maine. And this is a very simple repair. It involves just replacing two bad sockets on this nice lamp. And the only real important thing we have to do to make sure that we don't spark when you plug it in is to make sure we have polarity and that we maintain polarity in the wiring as we do the repair, so that I don't cross the neutral and the hot when I put these together. That's the single most important thing. So I will proceed to do that. The first thing we do is undo the neutral and the hot wires here. And I think it's probably best if I just do one to make this a short video so it doesn't bore people to death. And then I'll fix the other one after we go off the air. So we'll do the first socket here. We take it off. The hot and the neutral wires are screwed onto the side of the socket. There we go. We get that socket. And then here we go with a new one. And now before we do this, we got to make sure we check that polarity that I talked about, which we will do. And we do that with a meter. And the meter has a 9-volt battery in it that will put a little direct current circuit, put a little juice from one wire to another. So when I turn the meter on, continuity is what that setting is, and you touch it, I can hear that. So I know that there's the DC voltage going through. So what I will do is I take the neutral, the small plug is the hot on a plug, the big one on a polarized plug is your neutral. So we'll check the neutral first to make sure we have neutral. So we'll go to the white wire here, and I have it. So we have polarity there, no breaks in the wire. So we know that this wire is good, and the other one is also. So both wires are good. We're okay to do our repair. Very simple one. Take this guy off. This is the receiver end of the new socket. You screw it on nice and tight. And there's our hot wire right there. We're now tightening on the hot wire to the hot side of the socket. And then we'll take another small screw and put it in the neutral wire, if I can not lose it. And we turn that up like so. And there we go. Okay, and on goes the neutral. Tighten your wires always nice and tight. Don't just snug them. Now that's snug, but you don't want to leave it snug. So I take a flat screwdriver, which I can get more power behind, and I really tighten them right down nice and tight. We'll go back over and do that other neutral now and tighten that right up tight so it will never come apart. There we go. And now that's about ready to go. We just put our new cover on it and fit that cover right in nice. And there we go. Finished.